In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom collection template on Shopify. If you've ever wished you could tailor the appearance of your product collections to better suit your brand or specific needs, this guide will walk you through the steps to do just that. By the end of our session, you'll have a custom template ready to elevate your online store's aesthetic and functionality. Let's dive in by navigating first to your site editor. This is your command center for making design changes. When you open the site editor, you'll notice the current page you are viewing will be displayed prominently at the top of the screen. It's essential to start here, as it sets the stage for accessing the various parts of your website you might want to modify. Next, your task is to find and click on the section labeled Collections. This area holds all of your collection templates, and it's where we'll be making our custom piece. Once you've selected Collections, you'll want to look out for the option to Create Template. This is your key to starting a new design journey, so go ahead and click on it. Now, at this point, it's time to get creative. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your template. It's worth choosing a name that's both descriptive and memorable, as this will help you keep track of your custom designs in the future. Alongside naming your template, you'll also need to decide on an existing template that you'd like to use as your foundation or starting point. This choice is important because it determines the base style and layout you'll start customizing from. Choose wisely based on what best aligns with your intended design. Once you've made these selections, click on Create Template. This action will take you to the customization page of your new template. Here, you'll have the freedom to adjust it to suit your specific needs. You can change elements like the layout, colors, fonts, and even which products appear, depending on what the base template allows. Essentially, you are setting up how this collection will look on your site every time the template is used. Feel free to get creative and ensure it perfectly captures the vision you have for your online store. With your template created, you're not just limited to staring at it in the editor. The next step is application. You can navigate over to your collection list and apply this custom template to one or several of your collections. Alternatively, you can choose to select specific collections from within the editor itself. Applying the template is as simple as making the selection and confirming. And there you have it. Your custom collection template is live and ready to enhance the appearance of your store. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to keep personalizing your Shopify experience.